Hey guys, welcome to Help Screen. Today I'm going to show you the best free VPN for your Android device. So, first thing is just simply go to the Google Play Store and just simply tap the search icon at the bottom and search bar at the top. And guys, search Proton. So, from here guys, you will have here VPN Proton. So guys, this VPN is free and they have a paid version as well. And pretty much you could just simply select install over here to have it into your device. And now from here, once it is installed, just simply select open. And from here, guys, once you open the app, you will have an option to sign in into an account. But guys, if you don't want that, you could just simply continue as guest. And remember that you could still use the application when you continue as a guest. And from here, just simply wait for it to load up. And now it will ask you to select your plan. So guys, from here they have a 1 year plan and a 1 month plan. So from here you could just simply select not now if you want to use the free version of this application. Now guys, from here, as you can see, you will have free connection. So you will see here different flags that are currently free and the fastest free server they currently have. So you could just simply select connect over here and just simply select OK. And after that, it will automatically connect you to the free VPN that they have. And after that, you could also select change server over here, which you could select a different VPN. So guys, remember that changing a server will be random because you are using a free plan and it will have a time limit as well. So pretty much guys, if you want to have a freedom to select a specific country, you should upgrade to VPN Premium or their subscription, and that's pretty much it. You could use this VPN for free, and there you go. See ya.